everywhere. You know I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. Hey, Barry here with song number 42, Fleetwood Mac Everywhere. And is this not an amazing track that you can play around the campfires here somewhere in Britain, or wherever you might find yourself in the world? You guys know I take these songs, I simplify them. And how do I do that? I make sure that the lyrics are linked up with the chords. I make sure that we have bar lines in there. I make sure that we know what to strum, what the chords are, and all those kind of fun things. So let's dive right into it. If you're sticking around, let's see. The first thing I have for you is the chords. So diving in, we have our first chord is that beautiful, beautiful F chord. So we have finger number 1 on string number 2, fret 1, and finger number 2 on string 4, fret 2. That's your F. And then we're going to go over to the C, which is easy. If I've got my third finger hovering right there, then from that F, it's easy to just place down my third finger. So I'm not taking these fingers away, because if I'm going to go, it's an easy change. C, back to the F, C. Now if your fingers are there, then it's easy to do that. So take time and just jump between that C and the F. And then we've got the D minor from the C. We're going to find that F, the D minor looks like the F, but with finger 3 placed on string 3, fret 2. So those two are on the same fret, and this one. On the guitar, this looks like an A minor. And then from here on, it's easy. You just flatten that finger and you place that third. Now, if you can't place that finger down yet, it's happy. You can do that A sharp, which is also known as a B flat. You can just do it there, because it will still sound pretty much the same. Okay, but it just make it easier but when we do that, we want to get that down, that little motion, not like that cramping my hand down. My hand comes forward and my finger falls flat like that. So again, we've got that beautiful F to the C, F back to the C, and then we got C to that D minor that looks like an F right there, and then you can just flatten those two for the B flat. And that's as simple as it is. Now I always say take your time before you even start this song and just do 50 reps, that's good, you're on the right track. But if you do 100 changes between C and F, C and F, C, the D minor and the C, D minor and the C, D minor, in the order they will appear in the song, then that's going to make your life so much easier playing this song. And that's what I want for you, okay? Okay, second little thing is, what on earth is happening with the song structure? Second thing, the song structure is we have half a bar of F, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, half a bar of C, and that kind of, then we go over to D minor and the A sharp or the B flat. And that goes through the whole song. It's kind of repeating over that C, D minor, just happens, C, D minor. It just changes a little bit in the chorus. But as simple as that, nothing out of the ordinary here. The song is also in a 4/4. And then we'd look at the third little thing is, what can we strum? What are the strum values we can use to make this song sound even better? Now for this song, we could always go, remember I simplified by just doing the note values as quarter note. Can you hear me calling out your name? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now for this song we go 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Okay, that works best for the song, but you layer yourself and level yourself up at your ability, and the comfort. Don't get too comfortable. Challenge yourself to do any of those 3 note values. That will make the song. So let's dive right into it. We're going to start, and I'm going to count. So this is the little play along. There, the song note, verse 1. Verse 1. Let's work on verse 1, and then we'll go over to chorus. So we go. I'll count us in. 1, 2, and 3 on the F, and 1 and 2 and C and 4 and 1 and 2 and C and 4 and okay, that's the first line. That's straightforward. F C F C. That repeats, and then we got F C again, so that repeats 3 times, and then we go D minor to A flat. So let's go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and C and 4 back to F. 1 and 2 and C and 4 back to a 1 and 2 and C and 4. Now those fingers have to go to that D minor. So that C and the D minor might be something you just need to stick with and change between, so you can be able to play the song. No. Can we go from start again? 1 and 2 and C and F and 2 and C and 4 back to the F and 2 and C and 4 and the D minor 2 and 4 and C and 4 and. So now I'm just double checking if that, don't know what to say. So that's also half a bar. Half a bar. I'll fix that downstairs in the link where you can download this song. You know that I'm falling, and I 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now remember that you could play it that way, or you could play it the bar, or you could just okay. From the top again, 1, and we'll play right through 1, and I'll call the chords out. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and C and 4 and F and 2 and C and 4 F and 2 and C and 4, and I don't know what to. You could either do that, say, and keep going. I'll speak a little louder, F, even up and shout. You know that I'm proud and I can't get the words out. To the top. You hear me calling back to F, and it won't your name. You know that I'm falling, and I D minor to an F, A sharp, F. I'll speak a little louder, I'll even shout. You know that I'm proud and I can't get the words out. You know I wanna be. Okay, relax. Let's go into the chorus. That's the verse 1. Now let's go to the chorus where we've got a oh yeah, stretch out O over those 2 bars where we have half a bar C, half a bar D minor, half a bar A flat, half a bar C, and then the D minor. Wanna be with you. So let's go straight, dive right in. Let's just play that, which is repeated, right? So on the C, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 3, and 4, and A, and C, D minor. Wanna be with you, A sharp to the C. We're gonna go again. I'll go even half the speed. 1 and 2 and 3 on the C, and 1 and 2 and D minor, 4 and A sharp and a C. Now a D minor. I wanna be with you, A sharp and a C. No C to a D minor to an A flat and a C to a D minor. Wanna be with you everywhere. Okay, now take time. Just spend a lot of time just playing that without even the singing, because if you could go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 2, we wanna be with you everywhere. And a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, D minor, I wanna be with you everywhere. So that's it for the chorus. It's just repeated twice around. So stick your head in there. Remember, by ingraining this, and by keep repeating it, your brain is likely to hold on to the patterns, the chord patterns, and then before you know, you can sing and play this amazing song. Now we're going to go for the playthrough right through the whole song. Now, if you, before we do the playthrough, I am very excited about this book coming out that has all these songs simplified, perfectly formatted, so that you can find it as easy as possible to play these songs. And soon this book will be out. I'm working on the finer details, and it's extremely exciting. 50 songs that you can play along and sing along to. Okay, and it covers all the ages. And if you don't mind, it'd be amazing if you link, like the video here, share it with other ukulele enthusiasms, and beyond that, if you like what I do here, there's a link where you can buy me a beer, and I'll have even more enthusiasm to do more of these videos. Take care. Now, song jam, let's go. Play along. 1 and 2 and 3 on the F and F. Can you hear me sing? Back to F. Call out your name. F. You know that I'm a C and a D minor to an A sharp F, and I speak a little C, even shout F. You know that I'm proud and I can't get the words out. Chorus. I wanna be with you everywhere. Oh, I to a C, D minor. I wanna be with you everywhere. Once more, can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm calling and I don't know what to say. I'll speak a little louder, I'll even shout. You know that I'm proud and I can't get the words out. Now chorus C, I, D minor, sharp, D minor. I wanna be with you everywhere. And again, C, I wanna be with you everywhere. Repeat that last part. D minor. I wanna see with you everywhere. One more time. I wanna be with you everywhere. Yay, the song in F. And what a great song by Fleetwood Mac, Everywhere. Now, you could buy here, but if you want for a little extension, I've got with a little bit of a chuck going. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. 1 and a so we got 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and we got. So what's happening there is, for especially for the chorus, you could try this. 1 E, so you got 1 E and a 2 E, 1 E and a 2 E, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... So you only strum that main beat. So for the chorus, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 1 E and a 2 E and the rest is muted. So we got oh I wanna be with you everywhere. Now that's faster. I wanna be with you everywhere. You know I wanna be with you everywhere. Now if I move too fast there, let me know down below. But what a great way to play this song. You have fun with song number 42, Fleetwood Mac Everywhere. Take care. Bye-bye.